Islam is not merely a set of certain beliefs as we see the other religions in the world. Islam is something more than that. It's all about practices. It's about the physical practices, it's about the moral practices, it's about the intellectual practices, and it also about the spiritual practices. As far as the intellectual practices are concerned, Quran, the glorious Quran, invites the people to reflect on the physical nature, to reflect on this physical phenomena of nature. It invites the people to think about it, how this universe come into being and why this universe came into being. This contemplation helps develop the critical thinking. Now, physical practices, as we do ablution, as we offer prayers, we keep fasting, we go on Hajj, and the people who step outside to earn their livelihood as prescribed in the Quran. As far as the moral practices are concerned, the moral practices in Islam makes its